Hot buttered rum, light on the butter, and snow. It's time to make a hot buttered rum. You heard it, it's a hot buttered rum coming right at you. Another holiday inspired cocktail from yours truly, the Sipping Bird. So let's get right into it. You heard it, butter. So we're gonna put about a tablespoon of nice fresh butter. And then you are going to add some allspice, about a teaspoon of nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla extract, just a tad, a couple drops, a little bit less than you would traditionally put in here because I'm going to be adding in this one a vanilla-based sort of liqueur from Spain called Liqour 43. So we're going to add about half an ounce, and we're going to add hot water. As our water is boiling, we're going to grab some brown sugar. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of freshly hacked brown sugar. Smells so good. As we're waiting for this water to boil, I'll just briefly tell you exactly where I got this inspiration from, and that is from the classic 1954 White Christmas film starring Bing Crosby, where his character sort of talks about having hot buttered rums with the snow and a white Christmas and the idea of what that would be like.
Hot buttered rum, light on the butter, and snow.
And so as a kid, I always wondered what a hot buttered rum is. And that's where this is coming from. So let's add this hot water right into this cup here. That butter is melting from the heat of that water. I'm gonna stir that up. I'm gonna dissolve all the spices and the brown sugar and the butter, that all incorporated. And then the last ingredient is gonna be 2 ounces of a dark rum. In this case, I'm using a spiced rum. I think it's just gonna add a little bit more complexity to everything. 2 ounces here. Add that rum right in there. It smells so good. And then, last but not least, let's add a nice stick of cinnamon. Now, depending on how much cinnamon you like, you can certainly stay with just the stick and it will marinate in there and kind of infuse in this beautiful drink. But I'll add some cinnamon to the top. And then we'll stir it one more time. And that, my friends, is a traditional hot buttered rum with a variation. We have the Liqour 43, which is going to give you all these nice vanilla spice notes in here. And we're going to taste this right away. Oh, it smells like Christmas in a cup. Oh, that is lovely. It's creamy from the butter, super spicy from the allspice, the cinnamon, the brown sugar is sort of like that molasses type of flavor. And then you have these two dancing away underneath the snow in a white Christmas. This is the White Christmas hot buttered rum. Cheers. Till the next episode. Delicious. Less than you would little bit. Let me reset. Don't ever talk with cinnamon in your mouth.